In the previous video, you changed the format of your message and included a link to share a website with your friend. In this video, you'll add images to your emails. Images can be photos, illustrations, or other pictures you use to personalize your messages. Use a photo that is saved on your computer, or find one using Google search. Images can be instructive, such as a map of a neighborhood, or they can be used as a fun way to illustrate your message. You could attach an image as you would another type of file, or paste it in line, which means it appears in the body of the message next to your text. To find an image in search, open a new tab and go to google.com. Keep this video open in a separate tab so you can easily go back and forth between the two. Use keyword terms to search for a picture that might be relevant to the activity you are going to do with your friend. Then click the tab for images. This will change your search results to images instead of websites. Choose an image, then click on it. View the image on its own page. Then copy the URL for the image. Return to the tab with your email. Move your cursor to the spot where you want your image to appear. Insert photo by pasting the image's web address. If you have a photo already saved to your computer, you may want to use that instead. Click the Insert Photo button. Then choose the option to upload. To resize the photo, use your mouse to click on the outer corner of the image. Click and hold the mouse button down. Now, drag the image. The image gets smaller or larger. You can easily remove images too. Sending photos over the internet, even to a friend, should still be considered carefully. Keep in mind that anything you send has the potential to be shared and seen by others. When you're finished, send the message. Great job! Your email is now personalized to your conversation. Now it's your turn. Do a Google image search. Insert an image in line in your email. Move on to the next video.